So between the 8th and the 14th of August, I was seeing various trains around Cartland. However, my first catch today was 4 Echo 65. The early 0946 turned up at 0929. Direct rail service to South Bank Tees Docks DRS from Moss End up Yard with 66304. And then this is on MO5, the 0958 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston from Glasgow Central 39129. And then as the rain starts to set in, my last catch today would be 01Z67, the 1033 West Coast Railway service to Carlisle from Glasgow Central with upfront 6163 and in the rear 47854. And then my last catch would be on the 14th, where we'd see the Blue Pullman run under 1Z42 0907 locomotive service to York from Perth with 43055 and 046.